Hey guys, welcome in part 2 of my freaking hot tub installation, renovation, and I don't even know if it's gonna work. But I got these wires from my wife's parents. I bought the wires. I bought the wires. I don't know why they all use this thick one for ground. Ground doesn't need to be that thick. It's a waste of money. And I'm a broke person, so I know how to save money sometimes. So they shouldn't use the thick one. But I bought a 40 feet of this wire. But they're expensive, $230. But I got these, and I got this. And I should have around like 50 feet of a wire right now. So I should be good. I can return that for $230 in my pocket. But what I want to see if they have it grounded properly. Let's see where the ground goes in this box. It should be separate. It cannot be in the same spot the neutral is. Oh shit. How do I open it? I don't even know how do I open this box. Like this? Okay. Ha! Wrong! The white one and the green... Oh, unless the thick one is ground too. Okay. I was wrong. They did it right. Okay, because I saw a white wire right here. But then... it's going right here and it's marked with a green tape as a ground, so it's good. Okay, so now we need like the home access. And that's, my dear friends, how I take care of the old wood from that hot tub. Good morning, Saturday morning. All I have left here is this bottom piece. I made it ready, and it's hard to do because it's basically sitting on the bottom right now, and I need some help. I mean, I can lift it, but I can't lift it and replace it. So, yep, that's what it is. I did this yesterday. The whole front piece. All I got left is the bottom, so we gotta go to the back and take care of the rest. First of all, I gotta remove these, but they're sitting pretty tight in there. I hope you like my work boots. They're amazing. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention I'm too broke to buy a work boots, so I gotta wear Crocs. What did I come here for? I forget. Oh, just so you know, I hate wearing gloves for any kind of work. I just hate them. So that's why, if someone's wondering, I mean, it's 8 a.m. so I don't want to be too loud. That's why I'm talking like that. But we gotta get this job done. So tomorrow, today's Saturday, so on Sunday, I got a team coming of family members, and we're gonna bring it back here. So today is the day I gotta prepare everything and do some of electric work. We gotta finish it. My wheelbarrow has a flat tire. I mean, not flat tire, but low air. I don't want to turn on the air compressor, even though someone's already loud over there. Here is the love of my life sleeping. And there are little 2 cockroaches sleeping in that room. I have this pump for the bikes, so maybe it will work on that. It should work on that wheel. And I need to get the power washer and wash a few things too, but that's later. I gotta get the GoPro. I do have a lot of cameras. Like I have 2 GoPros and a DJI. I don't know what was it called, the DJI camera, but I love to record with my phone. I don't know why. It's so simple. It records in 4K, and I just love it. Let's see if we can inflate the tire with this. Oh, it's not advertising. Come on, I got 8 subscribers, so I'm just showing that it's doable. No one's paying me for this. Is it even charged? Oh, I think it is. Okay, it says max PSI 30, so that's what we're gonna do. Let's put a max in it. Damn, high quality product. 4.3? Nope. Oh, it's 45. I gotta say, it's impressive, but I don't think it's like the regular air compressor. It's not much louder than this. It's pretty damn loud. I mean, but it does the work. We got 30 PSI in like 30 seconds. I don't think it was a minute. Yeah, okay, so what I need, this is turned off. This is 60 amp GFCI, you see? It's like this, but I'm not gonna plug in any neutrals here because I don't want this to work. I'll turn it on and it will work just as the regular breaker. I might even remove this pigtail, but I'm gonna leave it. And those are the 2 hot wires. They're going there and outside to that box. But what I need is this red wire, because there is the outlet. Okay, it's the bottom one right here. I need to turn it off because I'm replacing the outlet too. So everything's off. This is off and this is off. Okay. Okay, Ferris got tired. Now we gotta check if that we had no more power here. After I turned off the fuse, there was a green light. Okay, it's gone. Now we can make new boxes. this one and the new one for this is in the garage. But maybe we will go there for now. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we gotta wash this. You have to wash these.
Let me do it.
When you plug everything in, you can come and you can do them. Cheap crap. Actually, it wasn't cheap. I don't know why it broke. Alex, go close the water over there. Damn. We need a new hose now. Mr. Detective figured out it's my fault that it popped. 'Cause he grabbed it and it looks like something burned it. So yeah, I was pressure washing and it touched the engine, you see, and it melted over here. And so it's not a cheap crap. It's on me. Now I gotta buy a new hose, but it's too stiff. I need something way softer than this. We gotta go and buy something better. I mean, I'm pretty sure there is some kind of connector for this high pressure, and we could like cut it, connect it together, it would work, but no, I just buy a new one. Okay. Turn on the power washer. Do you know how to turn it on?
No.
Then learn. Come on. Switch to blue and pull it.
Can I wash?
Are you serious, bro? Do you have brain? On this side.
I'm not.
You see the way it goes? If you pull it this way, it's locking here. It's harder. You have to pull it like this, exactly the way the string goes. Switch to green. 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 Washer. Okay, that's what it looks like. My dad was here, so I didn't want to really record anything. We used the 2x4 and that level to make sure it's leveled. It's not perfect in the middle, but it's fine because it's not even sitting there. It's mostly sitting on the edges, but it's leveled. It should be fine. That's what I have left. I need to get rid of it somehow. And now I'm going to do the electric. So let's start by removing all these